This is going to be a video tutorial on how to turn on two-factor authentication on the Instagram app. I'll be using an iPhone SE for this, but the steps should be very similar on other devices. Let me jump over to my phone here. Okay, I have my phone opened up now and I am on the Instagram app. To enable the two-factor authentication on the Instagram app, first thing you need to do is tap on your profile icon in the lower right hand corner. Then you will tap on the 3-bar hamburger menu in the upper right hand corner. Then you will tap on settings. And then you need to tap on security. And then right in here, two-factor authentication, you want to tap on that. It says two-factor authentication protects your account by requiring a login code when you log in from a device that we don't recognize. You want to tap on Get Started. And then right in here, Authentication App, it's recommended by Instagram. You will enable this. That is how you turn on the two-factor authentication on the Instagram app. Thanks for watching.